and keep Ukraine neutral and out of NATO. Criticism was swift and harsh.
It was really rapidly reviewed by experts and even personally by President Volodymyr Zelensky and Ukraine's foreign minister.
Doug Lane is assistant director of the Eurasia Center at the Atlantic Council.
It relies on these faulty ideas that parts of Ukraine that Russia has invaded are somehow filled with people who actually want to be a part of Russia.
Musk also asked his 100 million Twitter followers to vote yes or no on his plan. 2 million responded, with nearly 60% voting no. The Tesla CEO also questioned U.S. and NATO assistance to Ukraine.
Right now, Ukraine is winning this war, and the United States, if it does want to help in some way, can make sure that Ukraine wins faster.
There's one thing Klain and Musk can agree on. The longer the war goes on, the more people will die. Eric Thomas, KCBS.
A judge has delayed a looming trial between Twitter and Elon Musk. The move gives the Tesla CEO more time to close his $44 billion deal to buy the social media company after months spent fighting to get out of it. The head of the Delaware Chancery Court said yesterday that Musk and Twitter have until October 28th to close the deal. She said that a trial set for October 17th will happen in November if they don't. Musk renewed his offer Monday and asked to halt the trial to get the financing in order. Twitter objected because he'd already backed out once. Out of the Fortune 500 companies, women make up only 17% of chief cybersecurity. It's not for the lack of talent. KCBS reporter Holly Kwan tells us one cybersecurity company with a big Bay Area presence is recruiting women at a time when other tech firms are freezing hiring.
Accenture is based in Chicago, but it has a big innovation hub in the Salesforce Tower in downtown San Francisco and employs 2,000 people in the Bay Area alone. Valerie Aben is cyber strategy lead and says at a time when Facebook may be quietly laying off thousands and Twitter workers may be dusting off their resumes with the impending Elon Musk takeover, cybersecurity is a welcome option.
This is definitely one aspect in the tech world that is not shrinking. With over 700,000 open roles, if you are in technology and you are finding yourself out of a job, you should for sure start thinking about joining cybersecurity. Or if you're another part and you see yourself losing your job in these difficult economic times, you should absolutely consider it. It is not a shrinking space, and all of the companies that I've been talking with on a daily basis, I've not heard one of them say that they're going to slow down, stop hiring, or cut their cybersecurity budget.
One thing she's noticed is that more men apply for cybersecurity jobs, even if they only have 30 to 50% of the technical skills required, where women don't even consider submitting their names unless they can check all the boxes. Don't think that way, she says. Understand that some of the jobs are designed for you to grow into. Holly Kwan, KCBS.
Coming up on KCBS,
Now let's words at the Oakland Zoo, where a very special guest was welcomed by students and animals.
KCBS News Time, 12:45 at the sports desk. It's Stephen Langford.
The Warriors season already off to a dramatic start as there was a physical altercation that took place between Draymond Green and Jordan Poole at practice. Warriors GM and President of Basketball Operations Bob Myers held a press conference along with head coach Steve Kerr and Steph Curry.
As reported, there was an altercation. The people that were reported to be in it, that's accurate. Everybody's fine. Run practice today. Draymond didn't. Look, it's the NBA, professional sports, these things happen. Nobody likes it. I don't condone it, but it happened. Draymond apologized to the team this morning. Jordan was there in the room. I was there in the room. The team, the coaches, the players. As far as any suspension, punishment, fine, we're going to handle that internally.
Reports indicated that it escalated to where Green struck Poole and eventually they had to be separated. And there has been plenty of speculation as to why the altercation occurred.
And that question was asked. Was this something, beyond the line that was said? And the answer I heard was no. It was not anything different than a normal bickering in a scrimmage, is what I was told.
This isn't the first time we've seen Green and Poole clash. We've seen this play out on the bench after a game last season on their way to winning another championship.
I didn't hear it. I wasn't sitting close enough to hear it. But I've heard them argue, I've heard other players argue a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and I've been told it wasn't any different than that.
And Myers concluded that he doesn't anticipate Green will miss any games as part of the disciplinary process, that they will make those decisions internally. At the sports desk, I'm Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Beth Miller Rowe is the Bay Area's reverse mortgage specialist.
With over 35 years' experience, Beth offers a variety of reverse mortgage programs such as FHA insured home equity conversion mortgage and even jumbo reverse mortgages. Whether you own your home outright or have a loan against it, a reverse mortgage may provide financial freedom to better enjoy your retirement years. Reverse mortgages have changed so much in the last 10 years. Now is the time to call Beth at the Reverse Mortgage Group at 925-969-0380. Beth is located here in the Bay Area, offering free consultations in a friendly, professional, no-pressure atmosphere. Call Beth at 925-969-0380 or go to callbeth.net. Borrower must pay property taxes, insurance, HOA dues, live in and maintain the home. NMLS 294774/1850/831612. Licensed under the Department of Business Oversight under COA. Equal housing opportunity. At Stevens Creek Subaru, we buy used vehicles from our customers, even if you don't buy ours. Visit Stevens Creek Subaru today for a competitive, no-obligation appraisal and cash offer on the spot. We buy all makes and models, paid off or not. Stop by Stevens Creek Subaru today or StevensCreekSubaru.com.
The Outlaw Music Festival is here, featuring Willie Nelson, the Avid Brothers, Black Pumas, and more on October 14th at Shoreline Amphitheater. For more info and tickets, visit kcbsradio.com/events.
CBS News Time, 12:48. We'll take a look at your 6-day forecast after we check in with the man, the myth, the legend, Frank Munich.
Well, and the traffic reporter as well, thankfully, so we can tell you that we have a problem off of the Lone Tree Way off-ramp from eastbound 4. It's a small grass fire that was apparently triggered in a homeless encampment there, and it spread to some nearby brush. We have the Lone Tree off-ramp shut down from eastbound 4 as fire crews stage to try and deal with that small blaze. We have road work going on, and we have a lot of slow traffic behind it. It's in San Jose, actually between Santa Clara and San Jose, from the Montague Expressway on down to the 87 split. On southbound 101, we have the 3 left lanes closed for road work, and traffic is stop and slow approaching the scene. Your next update at 12:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thank you, Frank. It's going to be your 6-day forecast looks pretty much the same each day until about Sunday. It starts to get a little cooler. So heavy coastal and bay fog this morning, partly cloudy inland. Cool with lows in the upper 40s and 50s. It'll be sunny skies today and tomorrow after the morning overcast with only limited clearing at the coast. Highs from the 60s at the coast, 70s and low 80s around the bay to the upper 80s, and some 90s inland today and tomorrow. And then mostly sunny, breezy, and more fall-like Sunday through Wednesday with fog returning to the coast. Highs from the 60s to the low and mid-80s. Might be time to go buy some pumpkins. Right now it's partly cloudy in San Francisco, and it's 54 degrees. Oakland, you are partly cloudy and 57, 63 in San Jose, and partly cloudy. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on KCBS. KCBS News Time, 12:50. Pixie Clay is out of the editor's desk this morning. I'm Elisa Clancy. The Oakland Zoo welcomed a very special visitor yesterday. Dr. Jane Goodall presented to students from Oakland and other schools from around the Bay Area. KCBS's Alice Wirtz reports.
Known as a conservationist and messenger of peace, 88-year-old Jane Goodall visited the Oakland Zoo to inspire students and make a difference for people, animals, and the environment. Connor from San Carlos was excited to learn more about the woman who taught us chimpanzees and humans share common traits.
I did a project about her last year for science. It basically just went over like her whole life and how she liked animals a lot earlier in her life. She did her life just going outside every day and exploring.
On a Bay Area visit, a quick stop to the zoo to speak to students and staff, Dr. Jane Goodall spoke about Roots and Shoots, her conservation organization that is in 50 countries. Dr. Goodall started her conservation organization over 60 years ago. Erica shares the excitement as part of her team.
She's so energized by young people making a difference. It's really it's something she's so passionate about.
At the Oakland Zoo, Alice Wirtz, KCBS.
Organizers of the Portola Festival have replied to a series of noise complaints by sending letters to Bay Area residents apologizing for the disturbance and promising to do better next time. The Chronicle obtained a copy of the letter from the community relations manager for the festival's promoter, Golden Voice, which was sent out earlier this week.